Oh, it's Terry Joe. What's up?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello.
Why is this black man here? Did I
Who's
tell you I
what?
don't want to speak to you again?
Who,
She
me?
talking to you?
Yeah, you. Well, not
You
you.
never
You ain't
told
Oh.
no
me.
man, are you?
She's a man. She, listen.
I was making sure you was trying not to be spicy.
No, I ain't trying to talk about you. If I
Why
want to
don't you
talk
not want to
about
speak
you,
to
I
me
talk
again?
about the
What did I? What did I
eyebrows.
do? What did I do to
If
you?
I want to talk about you, I talk about that kinky straight hair.
You should be the last person talking about them damn eyebrows, because them shits is trying to fall away from each other. Relax. And that tied ass wig. Relax.
Yeah, now you
Because you're
know
doing a
what's
lot
tired
with
of
that
you?
fucking
Your
earring.
ankles from carrying around
Montel
all
Jordan.
that
Don't play
weight,
with
all
Montel.
day. Your
Montel, don't
ankles
do
are tired.
Montel.
Your knees are tired. Your
Montel.
legs are tired.
Montel.
Your feet are tired. Your
Montel.
mouth is crying.
Hold on with that fucking nightgown. Relax. Relax.
This ain't no fucking
Because I was
nightgown. It's a
being nice.
regular drawer. It's a regular dress.
Hold the fuck up.
And can you back up a
We was
little bit?
trying to
Cause I'm
battle.
starting
Why
to
you
get a
add
foul
this
odor.
person?
What you just
I'm
say?
sorry?
I said, can you
What'd you
back up
say?
a little bit? Cause I'm starting to get a foul odor.
That's probably your fucking mustache smelling like
No,
that.
that's probably your
Yeah.
fucking teeth.
Stink
That's stacked
mouth.
up on top of each other like
Yeah,
that.
stink mouth.
Them teeth are
Yeah,
stacked. Them
stink
teeth are
mouth.
doing them
If you
gang
lift your
signs. They're
chin up,
stacking up some
I
pills.
think
They're
it's
giving
probably the
Pringles.
smell from under here. Yeah, yeah. You know what? I don't want to get banana. I'm gonna be nice. You know what?
And you know what? That's
I've been
about to be the
saved by
only
the
thing in
Lord,
your life that's nice.
so we gonna be nice today.
That'll be about the only
I'm
thing
sorry.
in your
Y'all
life
I'm
both
that's
nice.
look the
nice.
same, so y'all might as well stop arguing to become friends.
Shut the fuck up. And turn that fucking ring light down. Cause that exposure ain't doing you no justice.
Well, you need a little bit more exposure on your skin.
No, your life needs a little bit more
You
exposure
look
to
dead.
Jesus. Your life needs a bit more exposure to
So he's in my life. I
Jesus.
can introduce you to Jesus if you need to be introduced.
And what is that on your wall?
Well, or just repaint it. That's all.
Oh, okay. Repainted from what?
You look at your damn wall.
Looks like it's been replastered from
I
your
want to
mama
see. I want to
shoved
see
your
your
head
wall
through
because
that
That's
you
wall.
what I'm
got that
saying. That
tired
wall
ass
looks.
background.
That wall's getting very much playhouse.
No, that fucking black sweater you're wearing is tired.
It's not a. You need a bigger gown because that one's not fitting. Too
This
heavy.
ain't a fucking gown,
You done stretched it out
homosexual.
too much.
You
You like
want
a
it to be a
bed
gown
spread.
so
You
bad.
like a bed spread, a bed sheet.
Anyways,
Hope you
You're like a
sleep.
you
fucking
ever heard of
picnic table.
chapstick? Huh?
Crystal, you know she in a wheelchair. Hope she just tripping in a wheelchair.
Do you think that's
For
funny?
real?
Yeah, in a
You're in a
wheelchair.
wheelchair for real?
Them
I
big ass
am.
wheels. She used her 2 feet to flap with the wheels. She be flapping and
And what are
pushing
you
stuff.
riding in?
Oh, I got a car.
A type with your little big head ass and little tiny head body. Your body is
You got a
tiny. Your
tiny ass
head is
head
big.
and a big ass body. Kind of like a let me see, a spoon reversed.
We thought you ain't give me that fucking plate because
And
that
no,
didn't
no,
make
I
no
didn't
fucking
think
sense. You're
I didn't
giving spoon.
I couldn't take you nowhere with me because you would eat up the whole. You would eat everything. I
You couldn't
promise.
take me nowhere with you because I can't fit on that tricycle, bitch.
Yeah, you would break the
That's
wheels
why
off.
you
I'll tell
couldn't
you
take
that.
me nowhere with you.
I bet I can fit on that wheelchair though.
No, you can't.
I bet I can.
Ain't no colors around here.
You ever heard? You should ask Dave Chappelle what happened. Why don't you just go around Republicans and ask them
Why
what
don't
you.
you take that head off?
No, I don't want to do that.
No, let's take that head off. Let's see what's under.
All right.
How about you
Take that.
take that wig off? I want to
Yeah,
see
take
I'm
what
that
got
not
that
lace
wearing
front
fucking
no
off.
wig.
wig. How about you
Take
take
that
them
lace front
Take
off.
lashes
that
off?
wig off.
How about
You
you
take
take them lashes
you.
off?
That's a wig. That's a
How about you
wig.
take them 802s off?
That's a wig.
I
Hell,
didn't think so. How
that
about you
shit is
take them
stiff.
press-ons off?
That shit
How
is
about you take
stiff
that
as
cheap
fuck.
ass stainless steel ass ring
Your
off?
drawers probably look the same way. Stiff ass drawers, stiff ass wig, all of it. It's all
Streaks
stiff.
everywhere.
The only thing around here
Stiffiana.
that's stiff is your
Everybody
fucking vertebrae
hashtag
because all
Stiffiana
that
in
fucking
chat.
fat around it, bitch. Your motherfucking
Stiffiana in the
vertebrae is
chat with
tired,
that
bitch. You got
tight
all that
ass
motherfucking
fucking
fat around it,
chain. What is
wrapping
that, a
around like a
choker?
motherfucking sausage, bitch. Your
Crystal,
vertebrae
hey,
is loose
Crystal,
and
the first
fat like a
person I seen
motherfucking
with 30
sausage,
inches
bitch. You
and
know
it ain't
that
moving.
nasty ass motherfucking like, who bitch? You thought you was gonna come out here and eat this